than just a tagline. It creates the way we behave. And I firmly believe that when I am positive, it not only makes me better, but it also makes around me better. So, with this beautiful quote, I, Twisha from 8th A, welcomes you all into this morning assembly. So, let's start our assembly with prayer of the creator of this world. I mean God. So, dear friends, let's start our assembly with for that supreme authority. So, with joining our hands, closing our eyes, and bow down our hands. So, I would like to call Radhika for prayer.
हे परमपिता हे पूज्य पिता तेरी शान में जगत ये निसार है कल्याणकारी दाता है तू ही सबका पालनहार है हे परमपिता हे पूज्य पिता तेरी शान में जगत ये निसार है द्वार तेरे आया जो कोई खाली कभी भी गया ना कोई झोली भरी ही मिली है उसे ऐसा तेरा भंडार है हे परम पिता हे पूज्य पिता तेरी शान में जगत ये निसार है तेरी शान में जगत ये निसार है तेरी शान में जगत ये निसार है
Always turn a negative situation into a positive situation. New day comes new strength and new thought. I would like to call Garv for thought.
Good morning all of you. Myself Garab Jindal from class 8A. Today I am going to speak a thought in front of you. Staying positive does not mean that you have to be happy all the time. It means that even on hard days you know that then are better ones coming. I am repeating once again, staying positive does not mean that you have to be happy all the time. It means that even on hard days you know that then are better ones coming. Thanks and have a nice day.
Thank you, Garv, for an inspiring thought. Knowledge is very wide concept and has no ending. I would like to call Shaina for GK questions.
Very well, good morning all of you. I am Saina from 8th A. Today some GK questions are. My first question is, in India, when did the second phase of COVID-19 vaccination start? And my answer is March 2021. My second question is, how many countries, areas or territories are suffering from novel coronavirus outbreak in the whole world? My answer is more than 200. My third question is, the first case of novel coronavirus was identified in, and my answer is Wuhan. My fourth question is, Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test into novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal, and my answer is monkey. My fifth and the last question is, name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patient to coronavirus patient who is now in a critical condition, and my answer is plasma therapy. Thanks and have a bucketful day.
Thank you, Shaina. Positive attitude can really make dreams come true. Now I would like to call Pashvi for speech.
Very wonderful good morning to all. Myself Pashvi from class 8A. Today I am in front of you to speak some words on positive attitude. It's true, you can't control what happens to you, but you can control your attitude towards it, and in that you will be mastering change rather than allowing it to master you. For example, in COVID-19, positive attitude helps a lot to recover. The world can be a difficult place to live in with different kinds of peoples, environment, and surroundings. It is hard to find peace. Every day, everyone is struggling for being successful in life. Things have a way of working themselves out if we just remain positive. A positive life cannot be lived with a negative mind. Thank you and have a fruitful day.
Thank you, Pashvi. I would like to call Garima for poem.
Everybody, myself Garima from class 8th and today my poem is on positive attitude. Happiness is just a state. Happiness is just a state. Happiness is a state to which you belong. Happiness is a state to which you belong. But it's your calling to be strong. But it's your calling to be strong. Happiness begins with a positive mind. Happiness begins with a positive mind. It leaves you in things you cannot find. It leaves you in things you cannot find. Stay happy and you will surely know. Stay happy and you will surely know. The power of staying positive in life. The power of staying positive in life. Being positive will give you something. Being positive will give you something. To cheer, my dear, stay positive and you will be able. Stay positive and you will be able to let go of all your fear. To let go of all your fear. Positive being and positive seeing. Positive being and positive seeing. It's a thing to ask about in time. It's a thing to ask about in time. Be positive and you will be find a reason. Be positive and you will be find a reason of staying happy in each season. Of staying happy in each season. Thanks and have a good day.
Thank you, Garima, for an amazing poem. To inform you about public events, I would like to call Mukul for news headlines.
Good morning, one and all. This is Mukul Bindal in front of you. Today, some news headlines are 4.3 cases of corona recorded in last 24 hours. More than 2.51 lakh people recovered. 11 states announced lockdown, including Delhi, Maharashtra. Abhishek Sharma responds to Twitter user who said he is better actor than dad Amitabh. Fragrance of Assam. Himant Biswa Sarma picks Sonwal to become next CM. 3 lakh remdesivir, over 3,800 oxygen cylinders received as foreign aid. So, some sports news are: India have a very good chance to beat England in England, says Rahul Dravid. Thanks, have a nice day.
Thanks, Mukul. कोरोना के कारण फैले निराशा के वातावरण को आशापूर्ण बनाने के लिए जरूरी है सकारात्मक सोच और ऊर्जा की। इसलिए सकारात्मक सोच बनाए रखें। धन्यवाद। शुभ दिन।